Hello and welcome to Health Hacks TV. Today we will be discussing 7 signs your metabolism is slowing down. As we age or undergo lifestyle changes, our metabolism, the engine of our body, might start to lose its efficiency. This can lead to a plethora of health challenges if left unchecked. We're going to explore these signs in detail, helping you understand the workings of your body better. And just when you think you've got it all figured out, we'll reveal a surprising element that might change the way you look at your metabolic health. Number 1. Increased fatigue and less energy. Fatigue and a noticeable decrease in energy levels can be a silent herald of a slowing metabolism. When your metabolism slows down, your body becomes less efficient at converting food into energy, resulting in a persistent sense of tiredness. This isn't just the usual end-of-day weariness. It's a deeper, more chronic state that can affect your overall quality of life, making it harder to perform daily tasks and maintain an active lifestyle. Understanding this can be crucial in identifying metabolic changes early and taking steps to counteract them with lifestyle adjustments. Number 2. Weight gain. Despite normal eating habits, unexpected weight gain, even when your eating habits haven't changed, is a classic sign of a slowing metabolism. Your body might start storing fat more readily instead of burning it for energy, leading to this weight gain. This isn't about the occasional indulgence, but a consistent pattern that doesn't align with your diet or activity level. It's a subtle yet powerful indicator that your metabolic rate has changed, urging a closer look at your dietary and exercise routines to adapt to your body's evolving needs. Number 3. Feeling colder than usual. If you find yourself reaching for a sweater more often, even in mild temperatures, it might be your metabolism slowing down. A less active metabolism generates less internal body heat, making you feel colder than usual. This isn't just a temporary chill, but a consistent change in how your body reacts to temperatures. It's a fascinating physiological response that underscores the complexity of our metabolic processes and their impact on our daily comfort. Number 4. Changes in hair and skin. Your hair and skin can be the mirror reflecting changes in your metabolic health. A slowdown in metabolism can lead to drier skin and thinner, less lustrous hair. This isn't just a cosmetic issue, but a sign that your body isn't absorbing nutrients as efficiently as before, affecting its ability to maintain healthy skin and hair. It's a visible, tangible sign that something internal is shifting, calling for a more nurturing approach to your body's nutritional needs. If you're enjoying our educational content, it would mean so much if you could drop a like on our video. It really helps us out. Also, if you thought these were interesting, wait until you hear these. Number 5. Slower digestion and constipation. Experiencing slower digestion or constipation can be linked to a decrease in your metabolic rate. As your metabolism slows, so can your body's ability to process and eliminate waste effectively, leading to gastrointestinal discomfort and irregularities. This isn't just an occasional upset stomach, but a more persistent shift in your digestive health, highlighting the importance of paying attention to these subtle body signals. Number 6. Difficulty sleeping or changes in sleep patterns. Changes in your sleep patterns, including difficulty falling or staying asleep, can be a less-known sign of a slowing metabolism. A slower metabolic rate can affect your body's internal clock, disrupting your sleep cycle. This isn't just about feeling restless at night, it's about a deeper disruption in your natural rhythms, pointing to the need for a closer examination of your lifestyle and possibly an adjustment in your routine. Number 7. Longer recovery time after exercise. If you notice that it's taking longer to recover after physical activity, this might be a clue to a slowing metabolism. Your body's ability to repair and rejuvenate itself can be hindered, leading to prolonged soreness or fatigue after exercise. This isn't just about needing an extra day to bounce back, but a significant change in how your body responds to and recovers from physical exertion. And there you have it. These are the 7 signs that your metabolism might be slowing down. Understanding and recognizing these signs is crucial for maintaining a healthy, balanced life. Remember, these changes are subtle and often gradual, so staying attuned to your body is key. Make sure to watch this video over here to make your health journey even easier. Subscribe now so you never miss one of our videos, and make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Health Hacks TV.